Number 1. 1988 GMC 2500 pickup, $2,200, Wikieup, Arizona. This 1988 GMC 2500 is a heavy-duty classic pickup offering strong mechanical fundamentals at an accessible price point. Powered by a rear-wheel drive 5.7-liter V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, it is well known for durability and torque. Showing approximately 238,000 miles, the truck runs strong, though the seller notes possible early engine noise that may indicate internal wear. The red exterior presents well for its age, and a clean Arizona title adds value. This GMC is best suited for buyers seeking a budget project, parts donor, or restoration foundation. Number 2. 1984 Dodge Stepside pickup, $2,500, San Jacinto, California. This 1984 Dodge Stepside pickup is a classic project truck with strong visual appeal. The Stepside bed adds vintage character, while the rear-wheel drive V8 engine and automatic transmission provide a traditional driving experience. The body is described as complete and in good overall condition, making it a solid candidate for restoration. Lien sale paperwork is a key consideration, but for buyers familiar with title resolution, this truck offers excellent potential at a modest price. Number 3. 1967 Ford F100, $4,500, Merced, California. This 1967 Ford F100 is a highly desirable classic pickup from Ford's golden era. Powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers strong performance and authentic muscle truck character. Power steering and power disc brakes enhance drivability. Some rust is present in the driver floor and roof edge, which is typical for trucks of this age. With a clean title and current registration, this F100 represents solid value for collectors or drivers. Number 4. 1975 Chevrolet C10, $4,500, Camarillo, California. This 1975 Chevrolet C10 is a straightforward classic truck with original mechanical charm. It features a rear-wheel drive inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The truck runs, but has been sitting and will require transport. As an Arizona origin vehicle, it benefits from dry climate history. Included weather sealing adds value, making this C10 a strong candidate for a simple restoration project. Number 5. 1980 Chevrolet C10 short bed, $5,000, Lake County, California. This 1980 Chevrolet C10 short bed stands out with its natural patina and extensive aftermarket upgrades. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission, it includes an aluminum intake, new headers, upgraded suspension, and modern wheels. Surface rust and minor cab rust are present, though no major structural issues are reported. While it has not run in several years, clean paperwork and custom modifications make it an appealing shop truck or Restamod candidate. Number 6. 1980 Dodge Custom D300, $3,000, Wikieup, Arizona. This 1980 Dodge Custom D300 is a former fire department utility truck built for durability. Equipped with a rear-wheel drive V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it is designed for heavy-duty use. The aluminum utility box adds practicality and long-term durability. Interior sun damage is noted, along with mechanical needs including an alternator and windshield replacement. With a clean Arizona title, this truck is well suited for work use, conversion projects, or specialty restoration. Number 7. 1989 Ford F-250 4-wheel drive, $2,700, Berger, Missouri. This 1989 Ford F-250 is a capable classic pickup featuring a 460 cubic inch V8 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. The 4-wheel drive system adds versatility for work or off-road use. With approximately 150,000 miles, it starts, runs, and drives well. Non-functional air conditioning and fuel gauge are minor issues for a truck of this age. Overall, this F-250 offers excellent value for buyers seeking strong drivetrain performance and classic Ford toughness. Number 8. 1969 GMC 1500 long wheelbase, $15,000, Pittsburg, California. This 1969 GMC 1500 is a rare and highly collectible classic truck featuring a factory 396 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The long wheelbase configuration and distinctive maroon and white color combination enhance its historical appeal. The truck is rust-free and has received thoughtful mechanical updates while preserving its vintage character. With classic accessories and a clean title, this GMC represents a premium example of late 1960s American truck design. Number 9. 1981 GMC C7000 Top Kick, $2,500, Afton, Oklahoma. This 1981 GMC C7000 Top Kick is a heavy-duty work truck designed for serious hauling. Powered by a rear-wheel drive V8 engine and manual transmission, it features a flatbed equipped with both fifth wheel and gooseneck hitches. Showing only 51,000 miles and reported to be in excellent condition, it remains mechanically strong. This truck is ideal for towing, farm use, or commercial applications, offering exceptional capability at a very low entry price. Number 10. 1983 Chevrolet K10 with LS2 engine, $8,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1983 Chevrolet K10 combines classic four-wheel drive styling with modern performance. It is powered by an upgraded LS2 6.0-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, both reported to be in excellent condition with relatively low mileage. The body shows aging filler but remains rust-free, while the interior has been fully refreshed. Minor tire balance issues affect ride quality but are easily addressed. This K10 is a strong Rista mod candidate offering modern power in a classic package.